Welcome back, my assets viewers. This time, what we are going to see is that how market behaves pre and post elections. So this is what we are going to discuss about. As you know that we always go with numbers. So this time also, I am coming with giving a presentation with numbers, and we are not going to say where market is going to head. Then end of the video, I'll say what is my view, how I going to view my investments. This was I'm going to tell. Let's see how the market has behaved from 10th Lok Sabha starting 1991 to this 17th Lok Sabha. It happened 2019, and we are heading towards the 18th Lok Sabha that is going to happen somewhere in between April and May 2024. So why we should look at past, because the past was not been same over a period of time. Past was never been the same, because India from 1991 to 2024, the last 24 years of time, the situations are completely different. The situations are completely different. Especially that 1991, we are coming out of this economic recession, and India was at the brink of collapse of economy. From there, we moved that 10 years till 2000. It was 9 years. And from 2024, 24 years above, at least in the last 24 years, the things are changing in a new dimension when compared to 91. After the liberalization, things have turned completely for India. Let's see how market behaved at this point in time. So in 1991, if you look at it, that was a peculiar election, because after the Rajiv Gandhi assassination, and 50% of the elections have been completed before his demises, and after it has been done after his demises. Okay, so pre and post Rajiv Gandhi, things have worked out. Though the power Congress have not come with a full majority, but still they were able to manage and run 5 successful years of that. So if you look at it, because the country itself is little dynamic level, because nobody knows who is going to become as a prime minister. Luckily, Mr. P. Narasimha Rao came to the power, and he's proved points that he can able to turn around the situations. The run up to election, market has gone up by only 4%, and 1 month post election, market has gone by 8%. To your surprise, market has, because a lot of reforms have been announced, because our Manmohan Singh, you know that he's a notable the finance person, so he really transformed a lot of things. So market post election, market has gone up by 36%. That was a very good rally. People have seen a lot of money have been made that point in time. And again, in that 1996, what happened? There was not too much of comfort whether this government likely to come back. Then market was, but still there is a change of government. Sentiment was all building up. So before election, market has gone up by 14%. On 1 month from the date of election, market is up by 14%. And after 6 months, things have, the stability of completely, the government has lost stability. The market was down by 19%. Then again, the 12th Lok Sabha, again, Atal Bihari Vajpayee government came back, and run up to the election, market was not too fancy, so my market has lost 2%. After 1 month of election, it was 5%. Post election, surprisingly, Nifty corrected by 23%. 23% market lost in 1998 after the 6 months of election. Then again, the run up to election, there was a lot of informations were there, and 1990, and again BJP government come back. Run up to the election, market has gone by 36%. 36% is gone. And post election, that was market lost 2%, because it already lost all its energy, all stock prices have gone up. And then because across globe, the IT companies are flying off, run up to the Y2K. Because of it has gone up, so it has gone by 36%. After election, because it lost steam, it has lost by 2%, and then after election 6 months, it is down by 4%. Market is up by only 4%. You and me, though, that the 2000, a lot of issues have happened. Why? After the Y2K issues, a lot of dynamics have changed. All the IT related TMT companies, that's called the telecom, media, these of technology have really moved the market at that point in time. We call market is fondly called TMT that point in time. So when that really pushed the market, and then there is every possibility, people are believing that in 2004 again the BJP government likely to come. That was that sentiment in the market, but it has changed, and UPA government came back to power in 2004. What happened that on election day, market has really taken in a solid beat. That way, if you look at it, 1 month market performance post election was minus 12%. But the government have stabilized, and since Manmohan Singh was already a finance minister, he's proved. So within 6 months time, market has bounced back and gave 90%. But 1 year period, end to end, if you look at it, market has not given a fabulous period. During that point in time, it was minus 5%. That's 6 months, and 6 months we calculate how much market has been, it was minus 5%. It is before election, it was 1580. Okay, on the election day, it was 1718 and 2014, and then 1 month after election it is in 1508. So this is what the Nifty has moved out. Again, 2009, a lot of people have believed that the UPA government is likely to come back. So then they know that if they come back again, Mr. Manmohan Singh likely to become a prime minister. Run up to the election, market has gone up by 31%. In 2009, again like a 2000, there is a 2008 market is meltdown, also helped market to bounce back. One thing is the UPA is likely to come back, and then 2008 market have melted so badly because of the global crisis between 2007 and 2008. Though that helped market to bounce back 31% before election and 23% 1 month post elections. After the UPA government forms, UPA 2 has formed, the market up by 23%. And after the 1 month also, with the next 5 months, market up by 38%. So on a whole, post-election, the market has delivered close to around 38% return. And you and me know that there was a sentiment, feeling was that the UPA is not going to come back. The close to 2013 December, January and all, we saw that there is a new trend is happening around. The BJP government is likely to come back. So the run up to election, market has went up by 19%. Predominantly the 19% have come between November and January. The market has already rallied substantially. And then 1 month post election, market was up by 5%. Like the previous regime, UPA 2, market have gone 36%. This point in time when BJP government led by Mr. Modi came back to power, 6 months they have given a 16% return. So that means pre-election and post-election 2014 has given a fabulous return, because 2012 and 13 market undergone a lot of corrections. And when 2019 came, run up to the election, there was a lot of opinion polls were coming around that, saying that the NDA is not going to get a full majority, all that. So to run up to election, there was a lot of pressure, but between February and April 2019, there was some amount of sentiment turned, and then there are opinion that the NDA is likely to come back to the power. So market has rallied 11% close to election. On the 1 month of the election, market is up by only 1%, and 6 months market is down by 2%. You and me know that the market between 2014 and 2019, lot of things have changed. Demonetization introduced in 2016, GST came in 2017, all put a lot of pressure on the economy, and then that the economy started to little derail along with the global market. So the economy was not in a good shape. So 2019, people are that entire period of 1 year period, people have not much return, but it's only 11%. End to end, it was 11%. So now what is happening, the 2024 election is that now you know that one side the crude basket is going up, it's going a lot of pressure on inflation, and US Fed still is not telling when they are going to taper off this interest rate hike. That they are of the opinion that interest likely to go up from here on also. And there are a lot of economic reports suggesting that the low interest regime is not available for next 3 to 5 years of time. We have to stay in high regime. Probably the high regime, interest regime, were there in 2000s, early 2000 it was there. So if you go, when people have taken home loans in the last decade, closer to last decade, you know that the interest rates were around 13-14% was that home loan interest. And PPF, for example, PPF was offering around 12% interest rates. That was an high interest regime we were ending. Now currently Indian economy is not looking that way, it's going to high interest rate, but still, looking at all the parameters, I don't foresee their market is going to rally big before next January, February, and things are so fluid. Unless people get comfort of either crude or US interest rates, market may dilly-dally till run up to the election. If there are firm opinion polls coming up and cropping up between February and April, this government is going to come back, probably market will give one more rally. If it is a change, probably we may see some dip in the performance. Post-election only, based on the formation of if it is going to be a new government, we have to see. So you have to keep your fingers crossed. Going by the past history, this election is also throwing up a new dimensions. So what we can do as an investors, We cannot, if you are a trader, you need to worry about the 6 months pre and post. If you are not an investor, not going to worry. But when you saw that in the last Lok Sabha 1991 to 2019 Lok Sabha elections, we saw on an average the election period market has given 12%, 19%, 4%, 33%, minus 5%, 61%, 24%, 11%. Going to the arithmetic, so we can look at it, at least 1 year period can deliver you 11, 10, 11, 12% return. So 10, 11%, 12 appears to be great given the economic conditions. I believe that if I stay invested for 1 year time, I can make a 12% return. If your time horizon is longer, you need not worry. If you are going to be a short-term trader, you need to worry about market movement and stay invested. So this is my view. If I have money, I'll not rush up and try to book profit, wait to reinvest. I have a patience because my goals are far away, so I'll continue to stay invested. If you are a first time viewer to my channel, please subscribe and give a thumbs up to us. It will be help us to produce more number of videos with more knowledge. You know that whenever we speak only with the data. Without data, we don't speak. So please follow the video and support us. It is helpful for us to give wonderful videos to you. This is Suresh Parthasarathy, Certified Financial Planner, founder myassetconsultation.com, signing off. If you want any new video, please put it in the comment box. We'll like it. For the later videos, we'll try to come back to you on that. Bye then.